This is a love reading for you, Taurus, for the month of. We are in March, yes, for the month of March. So, I'm going to take out his cards for you and your love interest and see how's the guidance looking. Please note that this is a general reading, so everything will not resonate with all Taurus, and whatever may resonate will vary in the intensity. So, let us see. I'm doing a heart shape spread where on my left are the cards for you, Taurus, and on my right are the cards for your partner. So, who are you in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength and challenges you bring, your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear the two of you have about the future together? What is the past you both are coming from? And how's overall the guidance for the love reading? So, I'm seeing very successful people here. The two of you may be very, very well to do. You see, first of all, both your hands are occupied. Your partner's both the hands are occupied as well. So, you both are one, very, very busy, or you have a lot to do. Second, if you see, your heads are tilted towards the left, which also is that you both have a similar orientation or outlook towards life. You both are very, very alike. And then I see the good life in terms of there is a money shower on you, Taurus, and your partner is holding the globe in the hand. So he or she may be some kind of a frequent flyer, or, you know, has a lot of global audience or some kind of global business, or is working with some globally known company. I see this kind of energy here. So the two of you are very busy, very, very successful, and you both are very, very alike. It's quite possible the two of you met during work, or you both met during some kind of a business meeting, and that is when the love happened. Out of the two of you, I see you very ambitious partner, and Taurus, you're very generous and giving. Your heart cannot say no to anyone. You give to everyone with lot of generosity. There is just so much kindness in you. Now, what is the strength and challenges you bring and your partner brings? So, first of all, the two of you are very strong personalities. You are very difficult sometimes, Taurus, but you have a heart which agrees to a reason. So it's not like if it is a no, then it is a no and it stays a perfect no. No, that's not how you are. You are willing to give in, or you will accept a certain change provided a reason is good enough. So this is your strength. You can be, or you can move from your decision. It's not like you're stubborn about it or you keep holding on to something. Also, I'm seeing is a certain death or a certain some trauma at some point has created a very big impact on you. So maybe as a child you had this impact, or a certain death has changed you a lot. Now, when I look at your partner, he or she is very, very good at their work. It's just somebody who's a beyond expert level. It's just somebody very good at their work. Your partner may be either sought after or maybe a very well to do professional in their work, and he or she may be at a very average grade or earning also, but they have a great insight into their work. Your partner is just very, very good at what they do. I'm also seeing here is a person who believes in society norms, regulations, and rules. So he or she may be very stickler to how things are and how things should happen. He or she is the rare is not the one, or is not the rare one who will go the unconventional route. No, your partner will always go the tried and tested route. Out of the two, I'm saying is that your partner may be looking for a marriage. Taurus, and I don't see that here with you, and your partner is not saying it, but he or she may be keeping it very close to their heart that he or she wants to get married to you. Now, how do you see your partner, and how does your partner see you? You see your partner as someone who's very successful, financially doing very well, and will make it very big also in life. So, you see your partner as someone very, very successful, prosperous, and just headed towards the high life and the good life. Your partner sees you, Taurus, as someone who's from an exceptionally good family and very well to do, and surrounded with lot of love and money. So your partner sees you as this person who has it all or is blessed with everything, with riches, love, luxury. So you both have a great opinion about each other, and as I said, the two of you are very successful, and that's how it shows also in the how the two of you have impression about each other. Now, what is the hope or fear you have about the future with your partner, Taurus? And what is the hope or fear your partner has about the future with you? About the future, I'm seeing is you are a little bit worried, Taurus, that your partner can be slightly stubborn about some things, or gets upset very quickly, or is spoiled. You may not be saying this to your partner just yet, Taurus, but you feel that your partner is spoiled with love, or either he or she while growing up was just pampered to the hilt, and now also sometimes behaves a bit spoiled. So you are worried that should will that be a problem in the future. Now, your partner feels sometimes you're not very sure, Taurus, about how to move ahead, and you consult way too much with your family or your friends or mentors or maybe your boss, ex boss. So, your partner feels you're not that person who's made up a mind and is going to go ahead and do things. Your partner feels you're someone who keeps consulting way too much with the family, friends, and if that would be an issue, because your partner feels that maybe in the future certain decisions are only to be taken by you and this person, but since you have a habit of consulting with maybe too many people, or you don't move that quickly, you may involve too many people into your personal life. So that's just the fear your partner has right now about the future with you. So what is the past you are coming from, Taurus, and what is the past your partner is coming from? So, in the past, I'm seeing is you have made some losses. Maybe you started a business, Taurus, and you did not put a fee properly, or you did not put the charges properly, or you did not do a correct product pricing. But whatever that you did, it did not work out all that well. So, you have had a go or another go at a business or a work situation, and now you seem to be doing very well. So, you have made lot of learning, Taurus, in terms of work and money. Your partner comes from a place of great love. He or she is very, very loving and giving. So you should appreciate this partner a lot, Taurus, because I'm seeing here is your partner is very transparent, amazingly harmless, and has so much to give emotionally and with love. So just a great person that you are with. Also, Taurus, you are also amazingly generous and a beautiful person. Now let us see how's overall the guidance for the love reading. There is going to be a lot of permanency in this relationship. The two of you are going to be going very strong together, and I see a lot of success here. You see, Emperor is all about success, having created success with even with great difficulty. So no matter what shows up, the two of you seem to be very committed to stay together, and this is a winning relationship as I see it. So cards are all very good here, Taurus, for you and your partner.